because life is full of challenges. Now, nakita na ko ganihan ang mga estudyante together with the parents na ang question ko, what is an essence of being a woman? Nakakita ko, bringing the child na an-awarded ang iyang anak. Ang walang mapil na ko as a human. Dili kay lalim ang being a woman. Nindot ay batiin sa babae ikumpara sa lalaki. Kay kita nakatanan mapil na ko what is happy after all. The love, the care na ang natihata. Okay, to remind everyone na ako'y acronym na dili ninyo malimtan estudyante. The 5 vowels, the A, E, I, O, U. A stands for achievement. From your sleepless night, making your project, doing your assignment is not the easy task. Being a student. E, your encouragement. E, inspiration. Involvement, initiative in doing your work. Then O, you're open-minded. Mind your students, being an open-minded, madali ka mo masasistol. Then the last is you. Together as one family, with the principal, with your parents, without them, hindi mo mag-ani karon. Naan sa inyong team, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. And lastly, remind ako sa tanan na naadiri sa Barangay Maholo. Dili pang kampanya, but ako na ni-sure para kang Mary Ann de los Santos na mudara o congresswoman na asya financial para sa health care sa mga tanan concerned citizen. Mabata, matigulang, tanan-tanan, libre. Labi na ang